Hey everybody, it's Anand Chaudhary, soon to be freshman in Monte Vista High School, and today I'm back here again with more proof problems, as I believe this is going to be part 11, and so this time we're kind of just going to start doing the problems, not in order. We're just going to go to the ones that I believe we could work on, and so yeah, if you guys want to practice more of these problems, either purchase the book or maybe find an electronic book, ebook, I don't know. I guess you guys can find a way to manage that. But anyways, this time we're just going to continue on. And this problem I have written down here is question 21 on example section 5. And so it says tan square a minus sine square a is equal to sine to the power of 4a secant square a. So remember, this is exactly what we're trying to get over here, underlined in purple. And so now what we're going to do is solve for it, as we've been doing in all the other videos. Now remember, you guys don't have to completely watch every single one of my proof videos, but they're just for practice. It's helping me get better. It's probably going to help you get better if you also do it alongside with me. And so yeah, why don't we just get started now? So here we have tan square a minus sine square a. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this into a sine a cos a, using the formula. So it's going to equal to sine a by cos a whole square minus sine square a. Now realize I'm not writing it on this side because I don't want to waste my precious time that I have, and I don't want to keep writing it every single time. Though I guess it'll be good for organization, just my opinion on how I do things. So yeah, that's how I'm going to keep it. But the thing underlined in purple is what I'm going to try to achieve and get. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to change this into I'm going to put the square inside. Sine square a by cos square a minus sine squared a by 1. And so now we're going to take the common denominator, which is going to equal to cos square a. And so now what's going to happen over here is it's going to equal to sine square a minus, and then it's going to be minus sine square a times cos square a. And so this is what we're kind of at right now. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this into I'm going to change cos square into sine, because we don't see a cos square up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this so it becomes sine square a minus, and using the formula, we know cos square a is going to equal to 1 minus sine square a. And we're going to divide it by cos square a, because we're not there yet. So we're just going to change it to cos square a, because there's a formula with secant which does involve the denominator being cos square a, which does, if you continue to expand, it's going to be sine square a minus, it's going to be minus sine square a. It's going to be minus sine square, sorry, it's going to be sine square a, sorry, minus, in parentheses, sine square a, because I'm just trying to separate it for now. Sine square a minus sine to the power of 4a by cos squared a. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the minus inside, so it's gonna be sine square a minus sine square a plus sine to the power of 4a. This and this cancel out already, and you're all dividing it by cos to the power of 4a. Now over here, we're left with, I don't know if you guys can see, probably can't, so I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Sorry if you guys couldn't see the last few steps, but anyways, now we're left with this. Again, we didn't do anything special. We just did our simple multiplication. None of this is real algebra. It's just multiplying and using our formulas. So anyways, we're left with sine to the power of 4a by cos squared a. This is a 2, not a 4. I just realized my mistake. And so basically what I get from this is, if I want to simplify it even more so I can get a secant out of this, it would be sine to the power of 4a by 1 by secant square a 1 by secant squared a, which if I simplify this even more, and by the way, this formula came from my first video, which I did explain. So if you guys don't know these formulas, just go back to my very first video. Probably released it like 2 days ago, so not that far back in my video stream. So yeah, we used our formula. Cos squared is equal to 1 by secant. And now what happens here is that we're gonna do, it becomes sine to the power of 4a times, because this goes up, times secant squared a. And if you do take a look at it, this is what our goal was. We just wanted to get these two equal to each other, and that's exactly what we did. Equal. So this is actually a success for us, another success. And you're going to be expecting like maybe 3 more of these videos before we move on to our next topic. So thank you everybody for watching. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. And yep, I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to see that. So here are all of our steps. And you know, if you guys didn't get to see, I think that was a little bit bad recording by me, but very sorry for that. Anyways, that's our video for today. And thank you so much for watching. Comment feedback, and you guys don't need to comment the fact that my recording was bad this video. I do know that it is bad. I think it was mainly because I had to zoom in a lot. So yeah, okay, yeah, here's a good view. Here's a good perfect view. This is exactly all of our work, so it's a success. It's all equal. Thank you guys for watching. Leave feedback in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching.